Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how you can check the variable type, how to check type of variable in Python. So I write the code related to calculate BMI in Python. I assign the values to the variables and then I find the BMI with this formula, and here I'm going to print BMI. So just run this code. So here's the value. Now, if you want to check the type of this variable, you have to simply write print. Then you have in the parenthesis, you have to write the function type. Again, here you have to write the variable name, which is BMI. Okay, this variable. Now run this code again, and here you check the class, which is float. So in this way, you can find the uh, type of any variable in Python. Hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python, you can ask me in the comment section. Bye bye.